Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So here we are with the BMW X5. I've just purchased some new covers off of eBay. These ones, I'll put a screenshot up. Quite inexpensive, about 20 quid. Because my one has got a few little cracks in it. And well, it's barely hanging on for life. So they do come with a little tool. So I'm just gonna get it in. Go around it. I mean, with my one I haven't got to be too careful. I can literally just do it by hand. But on the back you can see looks like two of them are busted, or at least, well, one's on an angle and the other one's missing, so that's why it was sort of hanging on quite badly. That does look a little bit damaged, so I don't know if that's going to affect things, but you can see across the bottom there's extra little bits that go in there, and obviously you got 1, 2, 3, 4 bits there. So never done it, first time. It should be hopefully just a push fit, so I'm going to try and do it one-handed, line it up. I don't know if it's better to go in this end or the other end. Right, I'm going to have to use two hands to have a little jiggle with it, but it should literally just click in place. Right, okay, when you're using two hands, it's actually super easy. So I come in this end first, clicked it in, and then worked around and pushed it in the other side, because there's a little bit down the side, you can see it. And well, it's a lot more rigid than what the other one was. Yeah, it looks all right. This is a bit strange, but I actually do like it. So at least there is a little gap across the top there, but it seems to match all the way around. So yeah, there you go, the quickest mod for your BMW X5. I'm sure it's going to be similar for other models. Okay, so here we are with the other side, which wasn't cracked or damaged. It's a bit more challenging to get off, so I've started around this edge and worked my way through. It was making some proper evil noises. I thought it was breaking left, right and centre, but eventually got this down here, this side, and it's popped off. It did bounce on the floor, but it looks like it's intact. So as I say, it did make some horrible noises, but you just got to go with it, not too aggressive, and it will come off. So now I'm going to pop the other side on and see how it looks. Yeah, so before I whack it on again, I'm going to start from this side, and this is the bit I was talking about on the other one, just to make sure, obviously, that, as you can see there, goes in there. But start from this end. That literally took 10 seconds. Clicked in nice there, and then snaked it in around the other end. Click, click, it's in. So happy days. Nice little upgrade. Okay, please like, share and subscribe. Many thanks.